Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Wolf here. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I just opened this box that I got right now from FedEx, and it's this power supply right here. X Plus Power Modular 3-year warranty, 725 watts according to the box. It has that cool LED lighting right there. This was like $60 extra, but anyways, put that aside. What I really wanted to show you guys was Cyberpower PC that I just got. So yeah, guys, this is my first computer. I got it for $500 off Amazon. I thought it was a pretty cheap price. And I'm pretty much just gonna be playing Minecraft on it and doing some editing on it. So it's not really a big deal what kind of games it can play, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down here. Alright guys, so let's start opening it up. They taped this up pretty well. Please read. Nah. Oh. Alright, so right here we got the gaming keyboard. It comes with it. It's in AZA. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right, but it's right here. It's pretty basic keyboard. I mean, just start off. I'll probably upgrade soon. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Right here we got the motherboard. Some installation disc right here. So I guess it's a GeForce 720. Pretty cool. It's pretty. Oh, one more thing. We got the mouse right here. Comes with it. It's an AZA gaming mouse. One vision, one mission. Pretty cool. I'll open this all up for you guys in a bit. Let's just get to the computer first. Alright, so gotta take this out the box. Alright, flip this. Comes with this foam right here. Hello. Yep, some foam. Alright, and some stuff. Get that out the way. Alright, so this right here. Right. Whoa, it's pretty clean. Guess the hard part's taking it out. I'm just gonna take it out like that. Alright, let's see. Here it is, guys. Cyberpower PC. This is a Gua880. It's pretty cool, you know. Got that see-through glass right there. Alright, and then we got some motivational quotes right there. And we got some information stuff. We don't really care much about that, but look at the smell of plastic. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna take this off in a bit and replace I'm gonna replace something. I don't know. As you can see, this is the back. It has one fan right here. It has some USB ports, some, I don't know what these are. Like I said, this is my first computer. I don't really know much about them. Yeah, seems pretty cheap for the most part. Has some, the power button, USB port, another USB port, 3.0 USB port right here, some reset button, some disk drive, and it's gonna light up pretty cool. Alright guys, so here we got the mouse right here. Oops, the mouse right here. It's a pretty basic mouse. Feels kind of cheap, but it'll do the job. See right here, got all them buttons. Connect to USB. Alright, and then right here, I'm gonna show you guys the keyboard right now. If I can open it. Oh, I see how you open this. Alright. There you go. Alright, so we also got the keyboard here. Also feels kind of cheap, but it's all good. It was free, so I'm not complaining. You see, you got them basic gaming buttons right here. WASD, up, down, left, right. Pretty cool. I'm just gonna change that. And yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. You know, show them this bad boy, the beast. All right, guys, this has been Chris Wolf, and I'm out.